welcome back to another video. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're doing amazing. I make a couple of videos every single week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you do want to see more videos from me, and please turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. In today's video, I've got another Zara haul for you guys. We are so close to summer. It's super exciting. So here we've got some summer dresses and also swimsuits as well. Alrighty, so before we get started, the dress that I'm currently wearing today is from Shein, and I did a video review on it, so make sure you check it out. I will link it in this video. Zuko is here trying to be my little helper today. We have two packages. I'm going to open the small one first. First dress we have here is this satin dress. This is in the color peach in the size extra small. The material doesn't feel as shiny, or it doesn't look as shiny as normal satin, but it's still really smooth and soft. So this is in the New In collection. It's a mini dress with V-neck details, it's short sleeve and elastic detail around the waist. Super cute, really vibrant. It actually looks a little big and a little low, but we'll see. Okay, this first orange dress, I can't say I'm a massive fan of it. I actually feel like a monk. It just doesn't fit me right. It's way too large and it crinkles so much. Even though this is really smooth and comfy, I don't feel like this is the right size at all. The color is super cute and refreshing though. I'm definitely giving this a miss. Next, we've got this super cute floral mini dress. This is in a size extra small. It's got these lovely frill details throughout the whole dress, as well as elastic details around the dress as well, so this dress is pretty stretchy. It also has really thin straps at the top, which are adjustable. This is just such a cute looking dress. The fitting is great. It's perfect on the top and the bottom. The straps, like I mentioned, is adjustable, so you can adjust it to different lengths, and it's not too long, it's not too short on me. It doesn't feel too loose either. And I just love how it's stretchy throughout the whole thing, which makes it super duper comfortable. Definitely obsessed with the frills everywhere as well. I think it just makes the whole dress really pretty and just really cute. It's perfect for summer and spring. So next up we have a couple of swimsuits. We've got this crinkle white swimsuit. This is in a size small. One-piece swimsuit, a low neckline and also low back as well. It does have removable padding underneath. I'm just really loving how simple and minimalistic this piece is. I think it's just so beautiful. It is a teeny tiny bit stretchy. The material does feel kind of rough though because of the crinkled texture. It's really not that smooth, but the inner lining of it is definitely a whole lot smoother. So this swimsuit is super cute. It's the perfect length for me. It's quite comfortable. Even though it's a bit rough on the outside, the inside is really smooth and soft. I love the low back detail of it, but I do think the front is slightly too low for my liking. Next swimsuit we have is also a one piece. This one's in black, and this is a straight neck, also with a low back detail. This is like a ribbed material in a size small as well. I feel like this one looks a little shorter than the white one, so I think this one will fit. It's a lot stretchier as well. Straps are not adjustable. There's no removable padding or cups inside, but it is double lined and the material is actually quite thick. I absolutely love. I definitely prefer this over the white one. I think this is so adorable, so chic, so cute. It fits me so nicely. It's like the perfect size and it's super duper comfortable as well. I'm loving the straight neck detail, and although there's no padding, it's actually not see-through at all. The material is actually thick enough to cover. I am obsessed with this swimsuit. I am absolutely loving the back detail of this as well. I think this is just the perfect swimsuit. Exactly what I was looking for. It's amazing. Okay, so next we've got this bright pink draped dress. This one's like a cowl neck and it kind of feels like satinish sort of material. It's got drawstrings on the sides and a zipper down the back. This is a mini dress in a size extra small. So soft and smooth and super bright and vibrant. The straps are really thin spaghetti straps, but they are not adjustable. There's elastic around the top area here, 2 layers on the front. Such a pretty color. Pink is actually my favorite color. I feel like a Barbie doll. This dress is so pink, it's so cute, it's so pretty, and I absolutely love pink. So anything pink, I can't say no to. So initially I thought this was going to be more of a cowl neck, but now that I have it on, it kind of looks like a straight neck. The length is actually perfect on me, and you can also adjust the length by pulling the drawstrings on the side. I'm loving the material of this, really smooth and soft. It feels like you're wearing absolutely nothing. It's so smooth. It's very pretty, very vibrant, and on top of that, it's very comfortable as well. So if you want to stand out, this is the dress for you. Next, we have this super cute purple linen dress. This is also a little mini dress with tie-up straps. It has little frill details around the top, zipper on the side, cute little buttons down the front. This is such a beautiful purpley pastel color. There's no padding on this, but the top half of it is double lined. And because this is linen, it's actually not that stretchy at all. I am so in love with this purple color. It's just so pretty. This dress fits me perfectly, even though there is absolutely zero stretch to this. It definitely does help that the straps are adjustable, but I did notice this dress is a little bit see-through, so make sure you are wearing nude and not bright colors or black underneath. I absolutely adore frills. I just think they look so cute and so pretty, and they just make everything look really feminine. And the tie-up straps gives it a bit of extra detail to complement the frills. I just think the whole thing is just adorable. And our last dress of the day is this little mini black dress. We all need a cute little black dress, and this is like a basic black dress with ribbed detail. This is in a size small, but this is actually really stretchy. It doesn't look that big for a size small. I think this is the smallest that it came in. It has really thin black spaghetti straps, which are not adjustable, but the material feels so smooth and soft. And this is obviously a straight neckline. Last dress of the day, this is just the perfect little black dress. It fits me so nice and snugly. Even though the straps are not adjustable, they're the perfect length. I love the length of the actual dress as well. The material itself, really soft, really stretchy, really comfortable. I love how figure hugging it is, but also super comfortable at the same time. This is a must-have little black dress that you need in your wardrobe. I love the straight neckline of it combined with the spaghetti stripes. It's just such a beautiful, simplistic, elegant look. Absolutely digging this dress. It reminds me of Posh Spice from the Spice Girls back in the days, but you can definitely turn this from casual to a night out. It's just so versatile, really easy to wear. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, let me know which piece was your favorite in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. Please remember to smash that like button and subscribe if you do want to see more videos from me. And Zuko and I will see you in our next video. Bye now, take care.